Lesson 7. Reading and Listening. African elephants is the largest land animal on earth. It is one of the most remarkable animals in the world. Strong, intelligent, and gentle, it has shaped the landscape of Africa for millions of years. The ancestors of today's elephants appeared more than 50 million years ago. Their ancient relatives included many different kinds of elephants, some much larger or smaller than those alive today. Over millions of years, they evolved and spread across many parts of the world. African elephants are the largest living members of this ancient family. African elephants live in many parts of Africa. Some live in wide grasslands called savannas. Others live in forests, woodlands, and near rivers. These places give elephants the food and water they need to survive. Elephants often walk many kilometers every day to find food and water. During dry season, this journey becomes even longer. Finding enough food and water is an important part of their journey. Water is very important to elephants. They drink a lot of water every day. They also enjoy bathing in rivers and lakes. Bathing helps cool their bodies and keep their skin healthy. A full-grown male elephant can be about 4 meters tall. It can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms. Females are usually a little smaller than males. Elephants have very large ears. These ears can be more than 1.5 meters long. They help elephants stay cool in the hot sun. Elephants flap their ears to let heat escape and to let their bodies at a good temperature. Elephants have a very special trunk. Their trunk is like a nose, a hand, and a tool all in one. They use it to smell, breathe, drink water, pick up food, and even greet other elephants. Elephants are very smart animals. They have good memories and can remember many things for a long time. They live in family groups led by an older female called matriarch. Elephants care for each other and protect their young. They show love, kindness, and strong family bonds. Sadly, African elephants are in danger. People hunt them for their ivory tusks. They also lose their home because of farms and towns. Many groups are working hard to protect elephants in their homes. We must all help save these amazing animals for the future. Elephants are important to nature. They help trees and plants grow by moving seeds in their dung. They also make paths in forests that other animals can use. Without elephants, many plants and animals could have problems. Elephants help keep nature healthy and balanced. Elephants are amazing animals that deserve our respect and protection. They are smart, kind, and helpful, but they need our help to survive. We must stop hunting them and protect their homes. We can support groups that work to save elephants. If we all work together, future generations can enjoy these wonderful animals in the wild. Elephants have many interesting facts about them. Their hearts are very big, weighing up to 25 kilograms or 55 pounds. They can live for 60 to 70 years in the wild. Elephants can also make low sounds that humans cannot hear. These sounds help them communicate over long distances. African elephants are truly incredible creatures. People all over the world admire African elephants. They are symbols of strength, wisdom, and memory. In some cultures, elephants are considered sacred and special. We can learn a lot from elephants, such as being kind, caring for family, and remembering the past. Let us promise to protect these beautiful animals in the natural world they live in. African elephants face many challenges today, but there is hope. Many people, organizations, and governments are working hard to protect them. National parks and reserves give elephants safe places to live. Anti-poaching laws help stop hunting. Education and awareness help people understand why elephants are important. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that elephants will always be part of our planet. Every small action can help elephants. We can recycle, save energy, and reduce waste to protect the environment. We can also share what we learn about elephants with others. Even children can make a big impact. By caring about elephants today, we create a better tomorrow. Let's work together to celebrate, protect, and preserve the amazing African elephant for generations to come. African elephants bring balance to nature. They help spread seeds, create paths in the forest, and keep ecosystems healthy. Without elephants, many plants and animals would be affected. Protecting elephants means protecting many other living things too. Let us never forget how important elephants are to our planet and to our future. African elephants inspire us in so many ways. They teach us about love, loyalty, and living together in harmony. They remind us to be patient, strong, and kind. Let us honor these incredible creatures by protecting their homes and respecting their lives. African elephants are not just animals, they are a precious part of the world we all share. The future of African elephants depends on the choices we make today. We must continue to support conservation efforts and protect their natural habitats. Every law passed, every park created, and every voice raised makes a difference. Together, we can build a world where elephants and people live in peace. Let us be the generation that chooses compassion, protection, and a brighter future for all living creatures. African elephants are amazing creatures that deserve our love, respect, and protection. They have walked the earth for millions of years, and they will continue to inspire us for millions more if we protect them today. Let us celebrate the African elephant and promise to be their friends and protector for life. Thank you, African elephants.